Credit Karma sign up tutorial. If you want to sign up on Credit Karma, first of all you can download the Intuit Credit Karma application, or you can go to their respective website. If you have an account, you can tap the sign in button from the bottom, but if you don't, tap the sign up button from the top. There, you can simply make sure to enter the email address that you want to use for your, let's say, your Credit Karma account, then create a password. Then when you've done that, you simply have to go ahead and then basically tap the sign up button. Then you can follow a couple of other options by entering other details. Then your Credit Karma account will be successfully signed up and created. This way you can go ahead and then basically create or sign up for Credit Karma account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.